Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel Pro the Fixer. Today I'm going to show you, your boy Graham Fernandez is going to show you how to upload, how to make a premiere for your video. So first things first, as obvious, go to YouTube. That's obvious. So then you click on your, then you go to this create button, which is a camera plus and a plus sign. Then you go to upload and you click upload videos. Right. Then you go to it'll come like this. So then you press select files. Then I'll just use my thing, documents. Then then you double click, or you can just press that open, then like that, and then it come like that automatically. And you can select all that stuff, the thumbnail and all, playlist and all, video elements, details. Yes, it's made for kids. To video elements, that is is that you just like once your video is processed, then only you can like do it. So then visibility, you can press schedule, and you can do choose this thing. I want to add around 17 o'clock. And time zone, my local time, which is India, is GMT plus 0530. But wherever you are, like USA and all that stuff, you have to choose your own local time. It will come at the first only. Then you press set as premiere. Then there's a disclaimer that if your videos are for kids, they won't have any live chats. So to protect minors policy, that's what. So then you're gonna press schedule. Then we'll just do all that stuff. Then we'll just wait for something. Okay, here it is, a premiere. Then you press, just copy this video link. Then you press the cross, and then boom. Yes. Now it's gonna be a premiere. This thing. So you make a premiere, I guess. So you pick a premiere. So then tomorrow it'll be like at 21. At 21st. What's the date? I forgot. So then it's gonna be there tomorrow. So that's how you make a premiere. So thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will get amazing notifications from the channel Pro the Fixer. Signing out.